Yes, now it's 12th of October and we are in a blended course. Today's subject is evaluation and we are going to create Microsoft Excel worksheets, and what we have done until now is we have written exams, info, other, and how we write them is that, or how we can create another one. There is insert worksheet here. I click once and I double click it and I just write, for example, what else I like to write ABC. I write it. I can click double 2 times again with my mouse and I can write something else. Let us do exercise once more. So this is the way how you change names of the sheets. What you do, you just click this insert worksheet, click 2 times, delete the name over there and change its name what you want. Okay, we have created several of them, but we don't need them now. So how can we delete them? Just right click and delete. Go on the worksheet, right click it and delete it. I just go on it, I click once, then I right click it and delete it. And I have one more which I don't want. Okay, now I have 3 worksheets. Names are exams, info and other. And now these are columns and these are rows and these are cells. Okay, so how we read them? This is K8, this one is F2, this one is C1. Yes, now we have defined columns. These are columns, and we have defined rows, we have defined cells, and we have written inside notes, name, surname, midterm, final and homework. Okay, so what we are going to do now is I'm going to shade this row and I'm going to see how many items I have in this row. I have 9 of them. Okay, I am going to shade I'm going to click this cell D2 and I'm going to click I'm going to press shift button on my keyboard and I'm going to press page down, okay, or I'm going to use downwards arrow. Now I shade the cells D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8 and D9. Now I want to find sum. I just have to look here. Sum is 333. Count is 8. Average is this number. So what I have done, I just shade it. Then I look to the bottom of my window and I see the numbers. Yes, now what I have done is I used average, count and sum, but I know that this can't be seen in this record. That's why I print screen my screen desktop. What I see, there is average, you can see here, count and sum. Okay, so only what you should do, you should shade the numbers and then you will see it's average, count and sum. But as I have said, this can't be seen in this record because it's outside of our region now. Okay, so you can do the same thing with here. You can just shade and it counts average and how many of them and sum. But we are going to count. We are going to calculate now report marks or final marks. What we call them? Okay, so I'm going to say it report mark. Okay, so how we find report mark? I'm going to put sign in Excel. In front of every formulas, you should write equality sign first of all. Then write the formula. Now, midterm 2, it starts from